Stop overthinking. Because every time na tayo ay nagiging anxious, ang lagi natin kagad iniisip yung worst case scenario. You are creating a problem that doesn't really exist. Anxiety is a natural human response, but living in anxiety is a bondage. God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power, and of love, and of a sound mind. God's will for you is not a sick mind, but a sound mind. Ang kalooban ng Diyos sa'yo, magkaroon ka ng reasonable, sensible, and sound mind. You have to understand, mga kapatid, that not everything in your life is an asset. Not everything in your thoughts is helpful. Not everything in your mind is beneficial. Sometimes, kailangan mo magpalayas ng negative thoughts. Kailangan mo magpalayas ng mga kaisipan na iniisip kagad natin, nagiging concern kagad tayo